Hey everyone, Luke and Noah here. We're going to be doing a hide and go seek Nerf gun battle. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go hide each other's guns, and then we'll say go, and we are supposed to have to go to the other opponent's sides and find the gun that they've hidden, and then we shoot the other person, and then they're out. Once the last person is out, the person who shot the last person wins. Let's get to it. Okay, Noah, come on.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Where the heck's the gun?
Who won?
Noah, darn it.
My gun?
Okay, where was it?
It is right here. Dude, I put it under the car. I should have put it deeper.
I couldn't see any of that.
Also,
I was in the bush like for 10
also
minutes.
for a trick, I had it
I
on
know, shut
safety
up.
mode so you couldn't
Don't
see.
show the trick. All right, and the
No,
winner
do your
is
little victory dance.
Noah.
Do your little victory dance.
Do dance. Dance, boy, dance. That's a weird dance.